increases and checklist changes. Dear TimeBucks users, we have made a big change to the checklist. Now, instead of requiring you to do random things like slideshows, clicks, and tasks, we have simplified it to just earn a certain amount, and you will get a certain bonus. This will earn you more revenue as it is not getting you to focus on things that are. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon for all notification for more videos. Now log into your account and check with detail where they made changes. Go to dashboard and confirm checklist. Complete the earnings goals below and receive a bonus. You have 1 week to complete it. Did you understand this line? And it will reset on Monday morning, 12 a.m. server time. Earnings goals excludes bonuses and referral commission. Your currently earnings this week are $0.01 since Monday, 12 a.m. Earn and bonus value you can check own self. Mean, within 1 week if you will earn up $0.5, then you will get $0.02 on week. The week will start from Monday, 12 a.m. Within 1 week if you will earn up $1, then you will get $0.03 and so on. The week will start from Monday, 12 a.m. Hope to understand. Click here and select Earn tab. Surveys tab is pre-exist. Click or touch on Survey tab. All surveys rates are changed. You can check it own self. Go back and click on Content tab. Clicks are pre-exist. Slide are removed. Engaged hits is pre-exist. And push clicks also pre-exist according to this page. Go back and click on Tasks tab. Click Talks tab. It show now these tasks. For example, upvote this comment daily, coin pay you, sign up. They are usually tasks, not any important tasks. Click back and click on Notification and now select Engaged Checklist. Engaged Checklist. We have simplified the Engaged Hits checklist requirement too. You must complete 1 item in the weekly checklist goal in order to cash out your pending Engage earnings. So if you complete 1 item today, then you don't have to do any more for the rest of the week to be credited for Engage. This line is very important to understand. You must complete 1 item in the weekly checklist goal in order to cash out your pending Engage earnings. Read this paragraph, the person who cannot understand English language. This is the new update video I share with you. Thanks for watching.